Hey everyone, look at my fine medieval times goblet I got here. What I have to do to get this thing? Well, I just had to eat with my hands and carry around a greasy cup for the night. You know, like you do. But it got me thinking, what would I be drinking back in medieval times? And that would be mead. But mead takes too long to make. So let's make a mead flavored cocktail and get over it. Martini shaker with ice. 1 shot Midori. 1/2 shot Barenjager. 1 cup apple juice. Give that a shake. Doth my lady partake of a drink? Why, yes I do.